go to them.
Richard.
Sorry,
I know the same day he would have give the little girl the umbrella, you know, as the woman would have said, you know. If you realize, you know, because she said he gave away the umbrella that he had, and she gave him the umbrella, right? So she know all of that in the same day. Say he give the umbrella upon the exact day. When time, she knows that the day he give it exactly on Friday, right?
You get to me and say, and how she
the phone is gone.
How she seen for more than one occasion leave from school and I come, right? And then uno paint all these stories say he was such a good kid.
And then when we ask her, say what she think he did that though, she said when she asked him, he say he might look shoes polish, and she know that is not true because shoes polish sell all there at the school gate. So you know after they all over the whole place, and then he can get it in any store without going to the part where he did that go. You understand?
Then wife and day one when we ask about Jayden, they never say, you know Jayden. Why they never say Jayden is a little man who have a why he was this good kid?
That's what he would have gone into Mega Mart to look for shoes polish then.
No,
but what I'm saying, from day one when they ask him who the type of kid Jayden is, they should have said, you know, Jayden is a little sometimes man is like a one way man.
Richard.
They paint it as a good youth, then why know all these look
Richard, listen to me now, Richard. Listen to me. Jayden live with me.
Yes, I'm hearing.
And hear what happened. No man, me talk, no me that say no. I said Jayden live with me now, but you know, say from me start saying him go to school day, me I see him on some little occasion when they run a some little corner, and me see him in some little part where you know for inner. Right? But I did not
you understand me as a
I did not see him doing anything. But it really puzzled me why am I go down in that part and he out I'm way for him taxi to come home. Right? So at the end of the day, when you came out with all those people that say, you know, say probably that little boy did like trouble, you know, he could have do this or he could have that. You painted that he wasn't a child that would do anything out of the way. So if Jayden is to be harmed, Jayden have to be harmed by somebody where he put him trust in her. You understand? He was not. He did not believe in the outer world. You get me? I say.
And next thing that I find quite suspicious is that
of course Jayden have an Air Force no polish. The Air Force up on his foot.
The auntie said when they reach home, she noticed that there was no lights. And she opened the door and go in Jayden's room. Jayden wasn't there, no shoes, no bag. And that was about after 6. And then within no time she alert the police. And you know, I just find that because it was raining and stuff, I just find it like, why would that be the first option?
Who say no school, no bag?
The auntie said no, when she opened the door, Jayden room door.
Yeah, she said that. She said that she not see no school bag, she not see him, she not see him on the bed. And she make some call to his school and then further on to the police station. So that same thing me I say, why report him missing and it not reach 24 hours?
It not reach Saturday yet. It not reach the other day yet.
And then it was raining. You understand? So it just like...
So put it
so why report him missing and it not reach 24 hours?
Maybe it shouldn't report him missing like 9 o'clock. 9:30, you know?
Not even 9 o'clock, 9:30. Not even 9:30. It's when daylight. It's when daylight, and you get up and say, you know, see him none at all. Nobody know hear about him. You know, nobody. You understand me? I say that's the way. You know, you take it into consideration.
No, that too. I remember, it's an underage child, you know.
24 hours.
10
all if a baby. All if a
them
baby.
time when me not sleep. Them time when me up still a child look for me in the night.
You only become a missing person.
Can't sleep.
You only become a missing person after 24 hours not being seen by anybody or heard from. After
that's what I'm saying, Navali.
No, if you miss a 5-year-old or a 8-year-old, you're not gonna wait 24 hours, miss.
But what me I say, why would they put it out as a miss? Nothing is wrong to alert the police.
Yeah, but you gotta take 24 hours first before you
understand me? Yes.
Yeah.
Nothing is wrong
Why would they
with
state him as a
alerting,
missing
making
person?
alerts. That is what we call
It's
alerts.
almost like they already know say missing.
Alerts
you know?
is different from missing. That's where alerts come in. You're making alerts that this child is not seen. He's not missing, but we don't know when there. That's alert. Right?
Okay.
So you make alerts. Nothing is wrong with calling the police and let them know that you don't see the child. But he's not missing yet. Because after you put up the missing person now, half hour after that you see the person come back in. You understand what I say?
Yeah.
Right.
I understand where you come from.
Yeah.
Me find that time what she give too quick for any alert or missing or any, you know? It was just too quick. Cause it was a rainy day, maybe he couldn't get taxi to come up, maybe this, but something in a Demar story or something. By the way, how much is an umbrella in Jamaica? Anybody know the price of an umbrella?
That's $400, $500. I want to can go in your bag. $500, $700. All different prices in a China, man. The one that can close to go in your school bag, you can get something for $450, $600, $700, $900.
It all depends. It all depends because you have short one and you have tall one.
No, man,
That
the one
is
you can
another
hold,
thing.
probably how she talk. She would the one we should have given if we go in and bag. You understand? So that would be a short one, Richard. So put in $1,000, give one of that.
I find it odd, like why he would give away the umbrella instead of lending. You understand? It's like I'm never gonna need this umbrella again.
But who to tell probably lend the umbrella? Probably not eat way. Because probably lend it to that child with the intention that when I come back to school Monday, I will get back my umbrella. Did Jayden tell me
right. Because I said why them keep saying in giveaway is umbrella, you know? That would have made the impression like Demar did already know say him now go ever use them
umbrella again. That's why I get it.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I don't know. But it's very sad though.
Very sad.
No, but and Demar first interview, you know. Demar is the first one who talk about Perth Road before even all them video you come up a Mega Mart, you know. So how Demar would know about Perth Road? That's why I said Demar is the main suspect.
Demar was in the vehicle when it fucked Jayden.
Yeah, so you start again.
Demar is the main suspect.
Before we reach to this.
But the police, let me tell you something. The police in question Demar and lock up Demar. And the reason I say, see, when we listen to Eddie Lewis, the first one we listen with the and when no, I fuck that. You're gonna ask it.
Put along alone in Leo like you alone her wife. Sure. Sure. You want to come from there. Sure. I'm a one brother that you know me alone can't do this.
How did so the mention that Jayden mentioned to his peers in school that his cousin will be meeting him after school over. No, this information would have been related to Jayden before he left the house for school.
If he didn't have his phone.
Yes, because we're not certain if he really left the phone at all.
So if he didn't have his phone, then that all of them the information would have given to him before he left the yard for go to school.
So is the phone at home? Is the phone at home? Where is Demar's? Where is Jayden's phone?
No phone, no left at home. I'll buy that for them. Then how then that said? How Demar that tell the granny say Jayden never have put on credit pan in chip, so maybe locked down. You have to call him on WhatsApp. No phone never left for you. That's a alibi.
Boy, me can't go there, man.
Remember that the granny say, you know, the granny said Demar said to him, say, call Jayden phone on WhatsApp, man, because I never have on credit on him phone, so maybe the lockdown. So
but if you lockdown, how you going to use WhatsApp? If he lock
No. When
Because he
saying
know
that,
that he are taking the phone.
no, when
from
saying that,
That's why he tell his mother that.
when saying that, they mean when you not put credit for your chip for a while.
All right, so
You know?
listen now. Stop could have pick up on Wi-Fi because it's two way you can get WhatsApp. It's either you have
And that's why I say alibi that.
data data or you're there somewhere with Wi-Fi there. That's the only two way. And anybody will understand about the network, that's how it goes. It's either you have on a data and if you chip locked down and you're not somewhere that Wi-Fi is, you cannot get me on Wi-Fi.
No.
You can't get me on WhatsApp.
And you have to have the password for that Wi-Fi.
Yes.
If you're outside.
No, wait. Let I address that one there. In some town area, based on which part of there, you get free Wi-Fi. You know?
Or you can pick up. Or
Yes.
No, like some of business place them,
Yes.
like some of the Mega Mart them, some of the KFC them,
Yes.
you have like free Wi-Fi.
Some of them, based on where you're there. Well, all them all know when they know so that the Wi-Fi works and it picks up.
But then they can find out where his phone last up, you know.
Listen, my man, when they do it, then if you do, and then take your phone, them is the man who say, give me your phone. That's why they take out the chip. That's why they take out the chip.
And code the phone, lock down the
and
phone.
code up the phone. Listen, you remember me telling you, we are investigate this. Me a ex-prisoner now. When me dey a prison, me learn whole heap about law. Then can't tell me nothing to fuck them for that prison.
What you said a while ago, repeat what you just said about the code and the phone and the...
After them do it, then if you do it, Jayden, when they take my phone, them are say, all right, me own this a phone. That's why they take out the chip, fling away chip and code up the phone now. If them are get a chip now, if you use that phone.
Something.
You know, say iPhone, then I go fling you away.
Then would say I want to cheap, then I say I want to cheap Samsung, sir.
You can't follow them. Well, if with a cheap Samsung or iPhone, I said we they don't want to lose the phone. Somebody have to get that.
Uncle say in the interview say, me no understand, you know, me no understand because Jayden phone always open that they can have access to it. So I don't understand how all of a sudden code get panic and no panic can't open. Because he
know what
listen.
That's why me take you
all about these things.
Listen to me now.
That's why me take your uncle in a protection, because uncle don't know nothing and the uncle will do anything to get closure.
So here what now? You see how close him and the uncle be? The uncle know that Jayden phone never code up. Because he my brethren, so he my bestie. So Jayden, he can take up Jayden phone, and Jayden and him depend on phone all the while together slung in the presence of him. So you know, so Jayden phone a code up.
They hide everything from the uncle because Jayden is the uncle favorite. Not even them I get the loving from the uncle. That's why they hide everything from the uncle.
1 second, you people over here. It was a pleasure being over here with you people. I'm over here from after 5. I need to go get out those animals, those goats. Let I be clear, and get them out to go and eat before they say I'm pick them here called goat and tie them out before they come look for me, not tying out my goat and have them there not eating. So I need to get up and get a start of this day. Have a very good day. Until
you
later.
too, baby.
Same to you.
All right, later.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye.
I love my friend.
Good morning, Artful.
I love what's happening right now. I love how we're all over this thing because what's in the dark. So like.
All right, me a couple things specific like from the beginning, everything will happen, right?
Yeah.
If everybody at the house one time and the baby around their play. Morning. And the baby they around their play. At first they said the baby fall down and the auntie come on news and say, well, she go to Jayden and say, you know, be careful next time. All of we will have pitney no fear facts. If your 2-year-old baby get hurt, you go beg, you go curse, you go argue, you go say, what happened? How your man like a baby get hurt? You don't go come all calm and say, next time be careful.
All if them drop one plate and mash one cup, yeah, man, much less.
Exactly.
You
So
could have
family
slap him before you
companions
ask him
answer
what
that,
happened.
me don't believe nothing what the auntie say.
Me say you're good for you slap him before you ask him what happened to your baby.
So. And then go back again. Them are gonna come and say, oh, they never did a play, a jumpy baby jump off of the chair or something, and Jayden sight the baby. So right then and there, you give Jayden the blame, say him are the reason why the baby femur fracture, no so.
And the uncle said them wasn't in our house.
So he knows what happened if he never at the house.
So them are, that's why I said them are, I mean, suspect, them are know everything and he claims they don't know nothing.
Exactly.
Good morning,
And then
everyone.
the